Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. The modern kitchen has evolved into much more than a place for cooking. It serves as the heart of the home, bringing together functionality, comfort, and refined design in a way that supports everyday living. Thoughtfully planned layouts, elegant materials, intelligent storage solutions, and carefully layered lighting all contribute to a space that feels both practical and inviting. Throughout this video, discover inspiring kitchen design ideas and complementary features that work together to create interiors that are beautiful, efficient, and timeless. A successful modern kitchen begins with a layout that prioritizes both efficiency and visual harmony. Every element is carefully positioned to support a natural flow between food preparation, cooking, cleaning, and gathering areas, creating a space that feels effortless to navigate. Open designs often enhance this sense of connection, allowing the kitchen to blend seamlessly with surrounding living and dining spaces while maintaining a clean and organized appearance. Cabinetry plays a central role in defining the overall character of the kitchen. Sleek cabinet fronts, streamlined profiles, and thoughtfully integrated storage solutions help establish a refined aesthetic while maximizing functionality. Deep drawers, concealed compartments, and well-organized storage systems reduce visual clutter and ensure that everyday essentials remain easily accessible. By combining smart planning with clean design principles, modern kitchens achieve a balance of practicality and sophistication that forms the foundation of the entire space. Materials, colors, and surface selections have a powerful influence on the overall atmosphere of a modern kitchen. Natural stone countertops bring a sense of luxury and durability, while engineered surfaces offer a sleek appearance with exceptional practicality. Wood accents introduce warmth and texture, helping to soften clean architectural lines and create a more welcoming environment. Color palettes often favor balance and simplicity, with soft neutrals, warm earth tones, and subtle contrasts creating a timeless foundation. Layering different materials, such as stone, wood, glass, and metal, adds visual depth without overwhelming the space. These carefully chosen combinations help establish a cohesive design that feels both sophisticated and comfortable. Backsplashes and wall surfaces also contribute significantly to the kitchen's character. Full-height stone installations create a seamless and elegant look, while large format tiles minimize visual interruptions and enhance a sense of openness. Textured finishes can introduce additional dimension, bringing subtle interest to the design while maintaining the clean, refined aesthetic that defines modern kitchens. Lighting is one of the most transformative elements in modern kitchen design, shaping both the functionality of the space and the atmosphere it creates. A well-designed lighting plan typically combines multiple layers of illumination to ensure every area is both practical and visually appealing. Ambient lighting provides overall brightness, task lighting improves visibility for food preparation and cooking, and accent lighting highlights architectural details, textures, and carefully selected design features. Decorative fixtures can also serve as striking focal points within the kitchen. Pendant lights suspended above an island or dining area add visual interest while helping to define different zones within an open layout. Their sculptural forms introduce personality and elegance, contributing to the overall design without compromising functionality. Natural light remains equally important in creating an inviting environment. Large windows, glass doors, and reflective surfaces help distribute daylight throughout the room, enhancing openness and making materials appear more vibrant. Together, artificial and natural lighting work in harmony to create a kitchen that feels bright, comfortable, and beautifully balanced throughout the day. Complementary design elements play a crucial role in elevating a modern kitchen from simply functional to truly refined and cohesive. At the center of many layouts, the kitchen island often becomes a multifunctional focal point, offering additional preparation space, integrated storage, and a natural gathering area for casual dining or conversation. Its presence helps anchor the room while enhancing both usability and visual balance. Open shelving can introduce a sense of openness and curated style, allowing selected items to become part of the overall design. When thoughtfully arranged, it blends practicality with aesthetics, creating moments of visual interest without disrupting the clean structure of the kitchen. Seating choices also contribute significantly, with well-designed stools and dining furniture helping to extend the kitchen into a more social and connected space. Decorative details add subtle refinement without overwhelming the environment. Carefully chosen accessories, natural greenery, and minimal styling elements bring warmth and personality to the space. Even small touches, such as coordinated hardware finishes, refined faucets, and consistent metal tones, help unify the entire design, reinforcing a sense of harmony and attention to detail throughout the kitchen. Behind the clean and elegant appearance of a modern kitchen lies a strong emphasis on smart organization and everyday practicality. Storage is designed to be intuitive, with pull-out pantry systems, deep drawers, and concealed compartments that make it easy to keep essentials neatly arranged and within reach. Every element is positioned with purpose, ensuring that daily routines feel smooth and efficient. Built-in organizers help maximize every inch of space, reducing clutter and maintaining a streamlined visual flow. Appliances are often integrated into the cabinetry to preserve a unified look, while designated zones for preparation, cooking, and cleaning support a more structured workflow. This thoughtful approach to organization allows the kitchen to remain visually calm while still meeting the demands of active daily use. A modern kitchen reaches its full potential when design, materials, lighting, and functionality come together in a seamless and intentional way. Every detail, from the choice of surfaces to the integration of storage and lighting, contributes to a space that feels refined, efficient, and effortlessly livable. When these elements are thoughtfully balanced, the kitchen becomes more than a workspace, it becomes a central part of the home's identity and daily rhythm. The key to achieving this harmony lies in consistency, clarity, and attention to detail, where every design decision supports both beauty and practical use. Whether planning a new kitchen or refining an existing one, the focus remains on creating a space that stands the test of time while adapting naturally to everyday living. For more inspiring interior design ideas and timeless home transformations, explore additional videos on HD interiors. If this content brought value or inspiration, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Share your thoughts in the comments and continue discovering elegant design ideas that elevate everyday living.